What's up, guys? I'm Brent, and today I'm going to show you guys how I made this natural edge walnut shelf. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our board and cut it to the size we want. I'm going to be making 2 shelves out of this board, so I'm going to go ahead and cut those to length, and then we can start to work on surfacing the material to get it nice and square. Okay, quick change of plan. I'm actually only going to make 1 shelf, and so I'm going to go ahead and cut the back edge so that it is totally straight and it'll be flush to the wall. Okay, so as you can see, this is a bit of a banana. Kind of curves a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a straight edge from that corner there all the way to that corner and then cut it so that it'll be totally straight across the back with my circular saw there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then we can go ahead after that and run the board through the planer to make it totally flat on both sides. There will be a slight bit of twist on this end here because this end kind of tapers a little bit. Alright, so we've got our piece all nice and planed up and got the edge squared. So now I'm going to go ahead and sand it. There's a little bit down at that end over there, just so I'm like, or where the planer didn't quite hit, because I didn't want to go too much thinner on the board. So now I'm going to go ahead and sand it, get all of the rough spots out, and then put a finish on it, and then we can mount it. Alright, so now that we've got that all sanded, now we're going to go ahead and put some finish on it. I don't really like shiny finishes for most of the stuff I do, so I'm going to go ahead and use some walnut oil. Let's go do that right now. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see some of the behind the scenes of what I'm working on, be sure to follow my Instagram and Facebook. I'll have links to those down below. Big thank you to all of my patrons on Patreon. If that's something you're interested in, Be sure to go check that out. I'll have a link to that down below as well. Be sure to hit the subscribe button right up here. And if you want to see some of my other videos, be sure to check these two out right over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.